Your dryer is hiding a secret: lint buildup that costs you money and creates fire hazards. The Holic-Me Dryer Vent Cleaner reaches deep where your hands can't, attaching easily to most vacuums to pull years of lint from your vents. One customer saved over $200 on professional cleaning costs, while another reduced drying time by 30%. For just $19.99, you'll protect your home and improve efficiency. Don't wait until warning signs appear. Clear your vents today and breathe easier tomorrow. Order now while supplies last.